I used to think there's anyone care, someone who brings trouble wherever he goes. Every opportunity he gets it blows, but then this shot of light is glowing in my eyes. Nothing I've seen before, something so powerful I can't explain. He's my Lord and Savior, so now I'm trying to control my behavior. Every time I try my best, no matter why, I always be a sinner. That's nothing to be proud of. You're always there for me. You're my everything, the ruler, my healer, my savior, my loving king. You're always there for me. You're my everything, the ruler, my healer, my savior, my loving king. Up in the heaven, up in the sky, something so beautiful I've never seen in my life. I'm the kid who just thinks of fame, but now I look at it, I feel ashamed. But the light keeps telling my heart everything will be okay if I follow the light to the pit. You're always there for me. You're always there for me.